In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to Outlook fresh for 2025. This straightforward process will help you seamlessly integrate your Google email with Microsoft Outlook, making it more convenient to manage all your communications in one place. Let's get right into it. Assuming you already have your Microsoft Outlook application open on your desktop, let's start by configuring it to include your Gmail. You might have your primary email account set up already, and if you're keen to add your work email or any additional Gmail account, here's how you do it. On the left side of your Outlook interface, just below your first email account, you will find an option to add another account. Click on this, as it's where you'll begin the integration process. Once you click on Add Account, a prompt will appear where you'll need to enter the email you wish to add. Carefully type in your work or desired Gmail address, and then click Next. Your default browser, Microsoft Edge, will now open automatically, taking you to the familiar Google login page. Here, type in the Gmail address you just entered and proceed to input your password. After entering your login credentials, click Next. You'll then need to grant permissions, so press Continue when prompted. You're almost there. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to select permissions for display, which ensures that Outlook can access the necessary information from your Gmail account to function correctly. Choose the Select All option to give Outlook complete access. This is crucial as it allows your Gmail to work seamlessly with Outlook, syncing emails and calendar entries without a hitch. After selecting all permissions, navigate to and click on Continue again. And just like that, your work email is now integrated with Microsoft Outlook. This addition should appear on the left side of the Outlook interface alongside your other existing accounts. You'll find managing emails a breeze, as everything is now housed under one roof without constantly switching between platforms. A quick tip: make sure your Outlook and internet connection are up to date and in good standing, as these can affect the integration process. Should any errors occur, retrace these steps to ensure all necessary permissions were granted and that the correct login credentials were used. With these straightforward steps, managing your Gmail within Outlook becomes both simple and efficient. Get ready for a streamlined workflow where all your emails are just a click away. Thank you for tuning in, and happy emailing.